Hello and welcome back to this AWS course. We're currently in section 2 and this is lesson 6. So in the last lesson we got our website up and running on the public internet. We deployed our website to an S3 bucket and invalidated the CloudFront cache and saw it up and running. However, one thing I'd like to bring your attention to is that there is actually a small problem. If I visit a page /blah, you'll see we get an error. Now, I deliberately didn't fix this error. I just wanted to keep the code as small as possible just to let you see what was going on at the sort of simplest level. But it's pretty easy to fix, and in this lesson I'll show you what we need to do to stop this happening. So first of all, let's go to our code. I'll just put this terminal away. And the issue is that when we created our CloudFront distribution, we didn't really put any error handling in. So I'll do that now. We'll just change that code. All that's required is I add an extra parameter here called error responses, and I'm basically saying in the case of various errors I want it to be routed to index.html. So all I need to do is rerun deploy everything, so prun deploy everything, and that should amend the stack and it'll rebuild the CloudFront distribution in light of the changes which you can see happening right now. So I'll pause this and I'll come back to you when it's completed. Okay, that's now finished, and we can see it's actually at the same distribution URL. So let's go straight back over here and I'll refresh this. And we've partly fixed. Clearly CloudFront is not the error now, it's delivering the website, but the website itself doesn't handle this illegal page. So if I just look at the Chrome developer tools, in the console we're getting this message, no routes match location /blah. So we might as well fix that as well. So if we actually go into the website, into the pages, you see we've got a home page and a profile page. What I'll do is I'll add a new page called not found over here. And it'll basically just says not found. And then I need to go to my app.tsx over here and basically say if the user routes to a page that we're not sure of, then go and display that not found page. So I'll put that in here. So basically any other page, go to display not found. I need to import that. So if I now just deploy everything again, it should notice that the stack hasn't changed, so that'll go very quickly. So it just does a veep build, updates the bucket and invalidates the cache. And now if I refresh this, let's get rid of the old Chrome tools. There we are. It's now saying page not found, back to home, and everything's working. So with that, I'll close this lesson and I'll see you in the next one.